Okay, so this is how we're going to do a recording. What you'd want to do first is you're going to want to open up the internet, and you're going to want to go to Screencast-O-Matic. From the Screencast-O-Matic results page, you're going to just pick the first one on the list, and then you're going to want to tell it that you need to sign up, and it's a free sign up. So that's the first step that you're going to do. You're going to give your account that you're going to log in, and it looks like you can sign in with Google or with Apple if you're feeling fancy. I think either one is fine, and you can just sign up however you like. After you've signed up, which I'm not going to do, but after you sign up, you'll be logged in and you can start recording. To record for free, you just click on the record for free button, and then you will launch the free recorder, which is this button right here. Now, since I'm already recording, let's see what's happening, if it's going to let me record in a recording. So we'll see. It's the only thing I don't know if it'll allow me to do that. Excellent. You're welcome to take a card if you want to contact me. Yeah, right there on the front. Awesome. You're welcome. Bye, Jake.
Bye.
All right, so from here, it doesn't look like it's going to let me launch a new session because it already can tell that I am recording. And so what you do is launch your free recorder, and then you can start recording by clicking on the button at the bottom of the page. And always remember, if you lose your dotted lines, that there is a little gray button with a red button on the inside, and that will allow you to kind of be able to re-see that again if it has disappeared. Now, if you kind of stumble in the middle of your recording, you can always pause it with the you can click record, it'll count you down again, and you can start redoing it. Now when you're finished, you click your so when you're done recording, if you want to upload it or start over, you just hit the pause button in the bottom left, and that will allow you to either click done and upload it. You can put it in the trash can, which means you don't want to do it. Or you can hit the play button and watch it back to see if you like it or not. So those are the three options that you're going to get when you hit your pause button on your little timer menu. And always remember that the timer menu is counting up, so you know how long a time you're going to get. Now, once you actually get your video recorded, you would just hit upload to Screencast-O-Matic, which won't let me do that while I'm recording, so because it's the same product. And you'll upload to Screencast-O-Matic, and it will give you a link that you can copy and save anywhere. So just know that you can open up while you're doing this. Before you start, you can come start your PowerPoint, and then you can kind of just scroll through your PowerPoint and talk through it, your presentation, and read through any of the slides that you would need. And if it's easier to just use a photograph versus a picture of embed a video, know that in your PowerPoint you can always just copy and paste a picture into your PowerPoint. So to get the video clip that you're looking for, you can go to Google and type in The Shining Jack and Danny on Bed, and it's actually the first link, which is awesome. So you can always bring this up. And so here's this right here. Now, while you're giving your presentation, if you wanted to just show this, you could always just kind of click another tab open and kind of show it because you're controlling the presentation. You don't necessarily have to have the video on the PowerPoint slide. If you just want to say, and now I'd like to talk about, you know, how this works, and you could just actually just go to this and be like, play, because you're creating a recording for him to watch, and not everything has to be on the PowerPoint screen. Does that make sense?
No.
Okay.
How do
So let's say I'm doing this. And so I'm in my PowerPoint. Oh, this one's a bad file. I keep getting this bad file. Hold on.
Did they let you delete it?
What?
'Cause mine's really hard to delete.
The PowerPoint or the
No, the words. Like some of my
Word documents?
Yeah.
I think because you're in Office. Yeah, there's probably a way.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay,
because
gotcha.
you're in Office 365.
Yeah.
So let's see. So I'm just going to make this part of the recording. Oh, wait, I've been recording the whole time. So if you're wanting to be in your PowerPoint and you're wanting to showcase something, and then you're saying, I'd like to show you a video clip, and even if you're in the presentation style, and if I'd say, okay, I want to show you a video clip about Jack Nicholson from The Shining, you can close this and minimize this and say, all right, so we're going to actually watch how music is brought to light in this particular scene in The Shining. And then you can actually just play it from here and just play that clip. And then you can say, see how music played such an important role, and then open your PowerPoint back up. And that touches on the same point that I had for blah, blah, blah. So you can switch back and forth.
Is there any way that I could put that, like this was my